Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw money from WeBull. As you can see here, I have a portfolio balance of $4,000, and when you're withdrawing money from WeBull, you want to make sure that you're withdrawing from whatever money you have in your cash balance. So as you can see there, I have a cash balance of $1,000 that I could withdraw from WeBull. So I'm going to scroll down, and here you see quick trade, performance, and transfer. We're going to click on transfer. And right there, you see the option to withdraw under the deposits. So click on withdraw. And right there, you see my cash balance that I could actually withdraw from WeBull. So at this point, I'm going to click on withdraw. And here you could type in the amount that you want to withdraw from WeBull. So let's say for this example, I'm just going to withdraw $100. And at the very top, you'll see where the money is going to be transferred to. So I'm going to withdraw $100 from WeBull and click on OK. And right there, transfer to my bank. So I'm going to click on that button there. Now it's telling me, do I want to withdraw $100 from WeBull to the bank account there? The ACH transfer fee is 0 and estimated settle date is that date there, which is March 5th. I'm currently recording this on March 2nd. So 3 days for ACH transfers in my experience. So I'm going to click on confirm, and it's going to ask me to verify my identity. Okay, so I just verified my identity, and it is telling me all of my withdrawal details right there. So I withdrew $100 from WeBull to that account, and date initiated, like I said, March 2nd, and it's in progress. So to expect it to be settled on the 5th. So I'm going to click on back, click back again, and as you can see, $100 is withdrawn from my WeBull account, and that is how you withdraw money on WeBull. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.